Hi guys, welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. I just thought I would put up a quick video and show you why I wasn't able to put up a DIY for you guys today. We've been working really hard in our kitchen, putting in the cabinets that my husband made, which are turning out fantastic. And I promise to have an awesome DIY project for you next Monday for the Make It Your Own Monday video. So here's a little sneak peek of how our kitchen in progress is coming along. I also wanted to show you this display that caught my eye in Target the other day. I love these colors, and hopefully I can tie in some of these items, or at least the feel of these items and colors, in my kitchen when it's all done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.